Hey guys, it's Sterling W. This is my long-term review of my Dahon Mariner folding bike. This is a pretty awesome bike. I'm going to tell you some of the upgrades I did to this bike over the years and also why this bike is so awesome. First of all, this is an aluminum bike and it's super lightweight. As you can see, it folds down pretty compact. In fact, I brought this to many places and I put so many miles on this thing over the years. Super compact. There's things holding it together in terms of when it's folded, so it doesn't come apart, which is really nice. So you can see the folded pedals make it really compact, so this is easily stored in the trunk, or when you're commuting and stuff on the train, it makes it extremely small and compact, and for the dorm room too. Or this has actually been with me a long time because it's so small and that you could fit it and store it away. There is some additions I did put to this thing, and fully folded takes only like about like 20 to 30 seconds to unfold and set up. Now this is made of very lightweight strong aluminum, which the total bike weight is roughly around under 30 pounds. It's like 27 or so. But then again, I already added other things like the bike bottle cage and other things onto this bike. Another thing about the aluminum frames and stuff is that it doesn't rust. So it's been keeping up over the years and it still looks pristine and nice. And the fact that it's so lightweight, you can actually bring this to where you're commuting, or like I said, bring it along with your car. It does have a proprietary shifter. As you can see, is the Dahon shifter on the bottom. It's really compact, which is nice. It's folding pedals as well. This one actually has 7 speeds on it. And again, no rust. The Shimano parts have been great. It comes with the aluminum rear rack, which has been very useful. Also fenders and splash guards on it, which is nice. Going to the front, the newer ones actually have a mount for a front basket on the hook on the fork, but this one actually is before that. So I also put like a cat's eye computer on this. The original tire, the front tire, is still intact. The Dahon tires have been really lasted a really long time. My rear tire I've actually changed out probably twice already with some 20-inch BMX hybrid tires, which has been really nice. It's been better traction on dirt and stuff. So overall, all I have to do is constantly change out my rear tire probably every 3 or 4 years. Now another addition I did was put in the Schwinn Comfort cruising seat. I think that's the best thing. Also, this Greenfield kickstand, extremely strong kickstand. The original seat and original kickstand wasn't very comfortable, so I decided to put a cruiser seat on this. And this cruiser seat actually from Schwinn actually has like these a really nice cushion, as well as areas where it relieves stress and pain for my butt. So it's actually pretty good. Also, the elastomer shocks are pretty nice as well. And it's pretty lightweight. It's a little heavier than the original saddle, but it's a lot more comfortable. Anyways, the computer has been great, and as you can see, the rims are actually alloy too, so there's no rust anywhere, which is really nice. It has lasted over the past 10 plus years with this bike, and it folds well. It looks beautiful. Still very well kept because it's been kept indoors. It has traveled with me with my cars and my road trips and stuff, so it's been great as a place to find parking somewhere and bike somewhere for 5 miles away or even a few miles away along the coast. It's perfect. I've been using this along the coast because that's where I work. So the salt water has not really affected this bike at all. There's no rust or anything else like that. And this has been holding up very well. That's what I really love about this Dahon folding bike, especially the Mariner model, because it's all aluminum. That's why they call it the Mariner. Anyways, guys, it's Sterling W. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.